Hey everyone, and welcome back. Tired of manually handling tasks every time someone books a meeting? In this video, I'll show you how to connect Calendly to Zapier to automate your entire workflow. First, you'll need accounts for both Calendly and Zapier. Zapier's free plan is perfect for getting started. Head to zapier.com and click Create Zap. This is where you'll build your automation. For the trigger, search for and select Calendly. Choose the event invitee created. This means the Zap will start whenever someone books a meeting with you. Connect your Calendly account. Zapier will guide you through a simple authorization process. Now, for the action, this is where the magic happens. Search for the app you want to automate. For example, you could choose Google Sheets to log every new booking in a spreadsheet automatically. Or connect to Slack to post a message in a team channel with the invitee's details. You could even create a new contact in HubSpot or MailerLite instantly. Test your Zap to make sure it works, then turn it on, and that's it. Now, every new Calendly booking will automatically trigger your chosen action, saving you time and eliminating manual data entry. If you set up a cool automation, let me know what it does in the comments. See you in the next one.